friends, Dr. Meena Shah from Life and Health. Online webinars on positive health, positive life and positive work. Thousands of people have done my workshops also. And in most of my workshops, what I talk to people about is how to work with passion and interest. काफ़ी बार ये होता है कि मेरा जो काम है ना, that calls me. I'm very passionate about it. I'm very connected to it. And then even if I work for a little longer, even if it doesn't look like a strain, the time flies when I'm working with passion or with interest. So it is possible that we take on work about which we are passionate about. We love our work and we get deep into it. We learn things about it. We connect with the people who are also connected like us passionately with the work like what we do. So that will work for us. But many times it may happen that we have a work to do and we may not love that work and we find it a burden. And that work when we are doing, we are just not enjoying, our face is stressed out, we feel bored, we feel tired. And then it's a low energy work. So don't do that. I know it is best to work and in a way that whatever work we love, we are able to do it and we feel enjoy and we feel no pressure about it. But sometimes it happens that there is a work and it needs to be done. So then love what you need to do. Just go a little deeper. Just take a little more interest. Like suppose I don't like accounts at all. And when I have to do it, I find it a burden. But sometimes when I take interest on that account because I just need to do it. Nobody else can do it. And I learn a little bit more about it. And then, because I'm learning, because I have taken a little more interest, even if I have to do it, there won't be so much of stress and burden of doing it. So love what you do. It is most important. And sometimes if you don't have that as a possibility, then start loving what you have to do.